Here I've got Samsyng Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open Wallpapers and Themes. And now just pick a wallpaper that you would like to cover your screen with, so you can pick something from your gallery or the default wallpapers. So for example, let me choose this one. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And this is what I will pick: home and lock screens. This is how it will look like, so if you truly want to apply it, just click on Set as Wallpaper. And as you can see, it has been applied, so from now on you've got brand new home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.